What's up, YouTube? I'm Danny, and another video, another pair of sneakers. This time it's finally a Yeezy. As most of you guys should know by now, I'm a huge Kanye West fan, and whatever sneaker he puts out, I'm gonna try my best to get my hands on it. These are the 450 Cloud Whites, and this sneaker is just insane to look at. Everyone's comparing it to a dumpling, which is so funny. But everyone that copped it loved it for the personal, and those that chose to resell it made a lot of money off this sneaker. And then those people that hate it, it's whatever, they'll probably like it again when they see resale price go up to whatever it's gonna go up to, probably like the high 600s, and then it's gonna restock again in September, so probably dip again. But these sneakers are so funny to look at, man. If you guys would have seen the smile on my face when I first opened these, it was unmatched. I don't know, it's just nothing you can compare to this sneaker to. And that's really all I can say about it. Mesh panel, all as an upper, and then this nice rubber sole from the sole all the way to the paneling of the sneaker, which is just insane. It's exactly like a sock, if I gotta be honest. With this little sock liner, it's the same. It's like a little. This is a fabric material that is extremely stretchy, and your foot goes inside. This is like the easiest Yeezy to put on, other than the foam runners. And thank God, because some of those 700s were like impossible to put on feet, to be honest. This isn't my size, so I can't keep this. This is a size 14. It was a blessing and a curse to get this, because this is reselling for the most. So I made the most profit on this, but it's a curse because I really wanted these for myself. I'm gonna end up buying myself a pair, probably off the restock when prices dip a lot. But right now they're averaging $350, and retail's $200, so I guess that's not bad. But I just don't see myself paying resale for it. It's just one of those things. Everyone hated this sneaker, but as you guys know, Yeezys, when people hate them, they end up being so limited, and the return on interest on these, it was just insane, because this was the highest reselling Yeezy since the foam runners. I believe StockX put that fact out, and that's crazy, because if so many people hate them, why are so many people paying that much money for them? These are impossible to cop manually. Someone used a bot and helped me get these, so shout out to you. Yo, it's insane how big a size fucking 14 is though, bro. Like, my head, bigger than my head. That's why these are extremely comfortable, man. I tried these on. Comfort wise, I would say they're up there with the foam runners. I have those too. Absolutely beautiful. They're beautiful, man. This would not be replacing the Yeezy 350, sadly. I wish they were, because I'm so tired of that sneaker model. But there's two colorways of these. I got black, I got white, what you want? This is better than the all black, man. I'm telling you guys, stop wearing black sneakers. That shit is so corny now. But there's not much else to say, other than the sole has a lot of traction on it. It feels nice. I wish I had my size to like take fit pics on, or show you guys like on feet, but they're not mine. And I already sold these actually, but I don't know, man. You can't say you're a Kanye West fan and love his creativity and then hate a sneaker like this. Cause this will put you out of your comfort zone, and this is something that you could test your limits on. And honestly, you can wear these with anything besides shorts. Don't wear these just with shorts. You're gonna look fucking crazy. But any type of pants, even those for those of you that wear H&M and Paxson denim, these will look great on them, man. I'll show a picture of some guy that looks like he's wearing Paxson denim with these, and they look great on him. But it's a golden rule. If you don't know this by now, I'm gonna keep reminding you guys every time I buy Yeezy, is you go a half size up from your true size. If not, you'll be breaking your toes. This is extremely narrow when it gets down to the toe area. I don't know if you guys would be like, just by the formation of my fingers, you guys should know it's narrow down there. But personally, I'm probably gonna go up a whole size, just because when I tie these, I'm not gonna have these all loose the way they are now. I'm actually gonna tighten them up and choke my feet in them. That way for maximum comfort and protection. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this is a Yeezy Ortholite insole. And that's really it, man. So once again, go half size up if you want to be comfortable in your Yeezys. And let me know what you guys think about these sneakers. Like, subscribe, and yeah, appreciate you guys for your time.